Today we hiked to a glacier, and it's worth every step of the hike. Best place I've ever been. to a glacier, and I'm afraid of heights. And part of the Grinnell Glacier trail, if you're afraid of heights, is a little scary. It gets a little narrow on some cliff faces, but it's not, definitely by far not the worst I've been on. And we had to make 3 snow crossings. They were kind of scary because it was slippery, but I did it, and I'm so glad I did because the glacier was unbelievable. We weren't able to catch a boat because you gotta book a year in advance or get here really early, and book 3 days for walk-ups. But we hiked, ending up almost 11 miles today, and it was totally worth it. So we just decided we'd hike from the hotel here. We hiked around 2 different lakes and then started climbing, and you get up in the mountains and you can see Grinnell Lake, and it's gorgeous. All 3 lakes are gorgeous. And then you keep on hiking. You have to do, we had to do some crosses over some snow. It was a little sketch, but we made it. Then you get up to the glacier, and it's beautiful, and it's worth every step of the hike. Best place I've ever been. Carry bear spray. Be bear aware. We didn't see any bears, but there was a grizzly that went across the trail probably about 30 to 60 minutes ahead of us. We met people who saw it, and so we missed it. But we saw deer and marmots, and that was cool. So, highly recommend Glacier National Park. It's absolutely gorgeous. That does it for Glacier National Park.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed our video.
Until next time,
Log off,
shut down,
go outside, because your adventure awaits.